Hey everyone, today we are embarking on an exciting journey to demystify and empower you with practical knowledge about AI hallucinations, text embeddings, and vectors. Buckle up as we break down these complex concepts into actionable steps, providing you with tools to navigate the thrilling world of artificial intelligence. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just curious about the magic behind the algorithms, you are in for a treat. Stay tuned for a deep dive into the fascinating realm of AI. Section number 1. Mastering AI Hallucinations. Embark on a comprehensive exploration into the captivating realm of AI hallucinations, where we unravel the intricate details surrounding their occurrence and delve into their profound significance within the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence. Understanding AI hallucinations. Begin our journey by delving into the very essence of AI hallucinations. This intriguing phenomena manifests when artificial intelligence models, meticulously crafted to interpret and generate data, unexpectedly produce surreal outputs. The nuances of these hallucinations are far-reaching, prompting us to scrutinize the underlying processes that contribute to their formation. A closer look at Google's Deep Dream. Dive deep in the surreal outputs of Google's Deep Dream as a prime example illustrating the potential of AI hallucinations. This groundbreaking project provides a mesmerizing glimpse into the visual distortions and abstract patterns generated by neural networks when interpreting images. By dissecting the layers of Deep Dream, we unravel the intricacies of AI's creative process and its ability to transform ordinary inputs into extraordinary hallucinatory outputs. Decoding the origins. Why AI models misinterpret data. Unravel the factors that lead AI models to misinterpret data and consequently give rise to hallucinations. Through a detailed analysis, explore the inner workings of neural networks, understanding their learning processes and the challenges they encounter in distinguishing between meaningful patterns and spurious correlations. This section provides a comprehensive examination of the complexities inherent in the cognitive mechanisms of artificial intelligence. Practical insights into impact on model behavior. Navigate through practical insights into the real-world impact of AI hallucinations on model behavior. Gain an understanding of how these hallucinations can influence decision-making processes and alter the behavior of AI systems. This section serves as a valuable resource for developers, researchers, and practitioners, offering insights into potential pitfalls and challenges associated with AI hallucinations, mitigating effects, and enhancing reliability. Conclude the exploration by delving into strategies to mitigate the effects of AI hallucinations and enhance the overall reliability and accuracy of AI systems. As we gain a deeper appreciation for the dynamic nature of artificial intelligence, we empower ourselves to navigate the challenges posed by hallucinations and harness the full potential of AI in various applications. In summary, join us on this detailed and enlightening journey through the captivating world of AI hallucinations. By following these comprehensive steps, you'll not only broaden your understanding of the intricacies surrounding their occurrence, but also gain practical insights to navigate and leverage the dynamic landscape of artificial intelligence. Section number 2. Navigating AI image and text hallucinations. Embark on an insightful explorations as we delve into the captivating world of AI hallucinations, extending our focus beyond images to unravel the manifestation of these phenomena in text models. Join us on a journey to not only comprehend how text hallucinations unfold, but also to discover effective strategies for navigating and mitigating their impact on artificial intelligence applications. Expanding the horizon, AI hallucinations in text models. Begin our exploration by acknowledging the extension of AI hallucinations into the realm of text. Delve into how this intriguing phenomena manifests within the intricate fabric of language, prompting us to broaden our understanding of the challenges posed by hallucinations in both visual and textual domains. Demonstrating text hallucinations, a historical figure query. Take a closer look at a practical example that showcases a text hallucination in response to a historical figure query. By dissecting the output of text models, we gain valuable insights into the way AI systems interpret and generate textual information. Understanding these instances provides a foundation for unveiling the complexities of text hallucinations. Lessons learned from AI model interpretations. Uncover the lessons learned from AI model interpretations. exploring the intricacies of how neural networks process and comprehend textual data. Through a detailed examination of historical figure queries and other examples, we unravel the cognitive processes that contribute to text hallucinations. This section serves as a stepping stone for developing a nuanced understanding of the underlying dynamics. Mitigating the impact. Strategies for navigating text hallucinations. Navigate through effective strategies to mitigate the potential impact of text hallucinations on AI applications. Explore approaches that empower developers and practitioners to enhance the reliability and accuracy of text models. By adopting these strategies, we pave the way for a more robust and resilient utilization of AI in text-based applications. In conclusion, this exploration serves as a comprehensive guide to navigating the intriguing world of AI hallucinations in both images and text. By examining practical examples, understanding lessons learned, and implementing mitigation strategies, we equip ourselves with the knowledge and tools needed to harness the transformative power of artificial intelligence while minimizing the challenges posed by hallucinations. Join us on this journey of discovery and empowerment within the evolving landscape of AI. Section number 3. Mastering Text Embeddings and Vectors. Embark on a transformative journey to master the intricacies of text embeddings and unlock their potent capabilities within the realm of artificial intelligence. Follow these comprehensive steps to gain a profound understanding of text embeddings, from their pivotal role in machine learning and natural language processing or NLP to practical applications and examples that showcase their power. Unveiling the foundations. Understanding the role of text embeddings. Initiate your exploration by unveiling the foundational concepts of text embeddings. Gain insights into their crucial role in machine learning and NLP. Understanding how these representations enable algorithms to grasp the semantic meaning of textual data. Establish a solid understanding of the fundamental principles that underpin the use of text embeddings in diverse AI applications. Practical implementation. Generating text embeddings with OpenAI's Create Embedding API. Take a hands-on approach to learning by delving into practical aspects of generating text embeddings. Explore OpenAI's Create Embedding API to understand the process of transforming textual information into meaningful numerical representations. Through practical exercises, familiarize yourself with the tools and techniques required to implement text embeddings in real-world scenarios. Navigating the complexity. Deciphering high-dimensional vectors and semantic impact. Venture into the intricacies of high-dimensional vectors, unveiling the complexity behind text embeddings. Understand how these vectors encode semantic information, capturing the nuances and context within textual data. Gain proficiency in deciphering the relationships between vectors and the semantic richness they bring to the representation of language. Real-world application. Showcasing text embeddings in action. Witness the real-world impact of text embeddings through practical applications and examples. Explore diverse use cases, from sentiment analysis and document similarity to recommendation systems and information retrieval. By observing text embeddings in action, you will grasp the versatility and transformative potential they bring to a myriad of AI-driven scenarios. In conclusion, by following these steps, you will not only unravel the complexities of text embeddings but also gain the skills and knowledge needed to harness their power effectively. From understanding their foundational role to generating embeddings using state-of-the-art APIs and deciphering high-dimensional vectors, this comprehensive guide equips you with the tools to navigate the dynamic landscape of text embeddings within artificial intelligence. Join us on this enlightening journey towards mastering the complexity and potential of text embeddings in AI. Section number 4. Hands-on tutorial for text embeddings. Get ready for an engaging hands-on tutorial that will guide you through the process of creating text embeddings using OpenAI's powerful Create Embedding API. Follow these step-by-step instructions to gain practical experience in generating and interpreting text embeddings. Step number 1. Accessing OpenAI's Create Embedding API. To get started, ensure you have an API key from OpenAI. If you don't have one, visit the OpenAI platform to obtain your API key. Once you have the key, you are ready to access the Create Embedding API. Step number 2. Crafting a post request for text embedding. Use your preferred programming language, example given, Python, and an HTTP library to craft a post request to the API endpoint. Include the text you want to embed in the request body. Here is a basic example using Python and the request library. Step number 3. interpreting the response object and extracting the embedding. The API response will contain the generated text, among other information. Extract the embedding from the response to utilize it in your applications. The embedding is typically found in the choices field of the response. Here is a snippet to extract the embedding. Step number 4. Tips for optimizing and experimenting with text embeddings. Experiment with different texts. Try embedding various types of text to observe how the model captures different semantic meanings. Adjust parameters. Experiment with parameters like max, underscore tokens, temperature, and others to fine-tune the output according to your needs. Batch processing. If you have multiple texts to embed, consider batching them in a single API request for efficiency. Error handling. Implement robust error handling in your code to gracefully manage potential API errors or connection issues. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into the fascinating world of AI. From understanding hallucination to mastering text embeddings, you have embarked on a journey to navigate the complexities of artificial intelligence. These practical steps are your guide to unlocking the full potential of AI. In conclusion, you have gained insights into the surreal outputs of AI hallucinations, witnessed the magic of deep dream, and explored the intricacies of why AI models sometimes misinterpret data. Additionally, you have mastered the practical aspects of text embeddings and delved into their significance in the realm of natural language processing. These insights and skills empower you to harness the immense potential of artificial intelligence in various applications. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or simply an AI enthusiast, the knowledge you have gained today opens doors to creating, innovating, and understanding the ever-evolving landscape of AI. Furthermore, if you found this video informative and crave more additional insights, we encourage you to consider becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what keeps this channel running and enables us to continue delivering valuable information. And also, I'd love to hear your requests for future episodes. We are excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thanks for tuning in.